In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse video in CapCut PC. If you want to create a rewind effect, make a simple magic trick look more impressive, or build a funny looping moment. Reversing a clip is one of the easiest editing tools you can use. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this process very quick, and you only need a few clicks to get it done. To begin, go to your timeline and select the footage you want to reverse. This can be a full video clip, or even a split segment if you only want part of the footage to play backward. Once you click on the clip, make sure it's clearly highlighted. That part is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which piece of media you want to process. If nothing is selected, the reverse option won't affect the clip you intended. After your clip is selected, move your attention to the Action toolbar directly above the timeline tracks. In that toolbar, click the reverse icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to speed things up, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. As soon as you do that, CapCut will start reversing the footage. You may see a small processing window appear while the program flips the frames of the video into reverse order. Depending on the length and quality of your clip, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second to finish. Once the processing is complete, you're ready to preview the result. Press the spacebar to play your video and watch it run backward. This is the best time to check whether the effect looks smooth and whether you reversed the exact part you wanted. Reversed clips can look especially fun with motion, like someone jumping, throwing an object, opening a door, or doing a quick action that looks unusual when played in reverse. If you want to make the rewind feel even more dramatic, you can speed it up. Select the reversed clip, then go to Speed in the top right panel and increase the speed multiplier. This gives you more of that classic fast rewind style that people often use for comedic moments or stylized transitions. Just keep in mind that increasing speed will make the effect feel more energetic and less natural, so choose a setting that matches the style of your edit, and that's it. Once you've previewed the clip and like how it looks, your reverse effect is ready to use in your project.